Hi guys, I'm Lauren Janicio.
Hi guys, I'm Bong Bibi.
So we are the founders of Ecom Masterclass Philippines. So we're inviting you. We're having our second Ecom Masterclass workshops. So it's gonna be held on SMX Manila, August 17 to 18. So panoorin niyo yung mga students namin, how our program, our workshop changed their lives, how they parang nagbago yung buhay nila dahil sa workshop namin. Panoorin niyo din sa baba. And Bob, ano ba yung natutunan nila sa workshop
So,
natin?
of course, matututunan nyo kung paano magbukas ng online shop. No? So,
Yeah.
whether you have your own products or
Yes.
kahit wala pa kayo, nagsa-start pa lang kayo, tuturuan namin kayo mag-product research, mag-run ng Facebook advertisement para makabenta, especially ngayon, Q4. So,
Yes,
sobrang sakto yung timing natin.
This is the right time
Yes,
to start.
exactly. Oo. So kahit students kayo or kahit meron kayong work, pwede to a side hustle, few hours a day na paggawa ng website, pag-run ng ads,
Yes.
pag-fulfill ng orders ng customers natin. So kayang-kaya niyong gawin to. So kahit gaano kayo ka-busy, kayang-kaya niyo to, para sa inyo to, side income rin to.
Okay. So, ilang years ka na ba nag-i-ecom?
So actually, I've been in the ecom industry for more than 2 years na. No? So more than 2 years na ako, international and local stores.
Yes. So, maybe around 50 employees.
So right now, I do have 60 plus employees.
60 plus
so
na,
yes,
no? So
60
growing,
plus
still
full-time
growing.
employees.
Yeah, so ako, I've been in e-commerce 1 year now and around 8 to 10 employees right now. And so we want to share, we want to pay it forward. So again, we're sa dami ng request sa amin na kailan ba magkakaroon ulit ng second run ng workshop namin. This is the opportunity for you guys to attend again before everyone gets busy this coming fourth quarter. So we're inviting you guys. Again, if you want to check out yung mga students namin, below you can watch the testimonials. So again, August 17 to 18, SMX MOA. Sign up, click the button below, and again, we have limited slots and we're gonna increase the price very soon. So make sure to sign up as soon as possible.
Okay, so see you guys again August 17 to 18, SMX Manila. See
Thank you.
Just the other day, I was cruising down the street in my 6'8" convertible dropped on my way to the Bizank. I opened up my app to get the scoop. Another girl bought a custom pair of shoes. A car pulls up, who can it be? A fresh Rolls Royce with a real OG. He rolled down his window and he started to say,
You need a Shopify mentor to up your game. Cause the stores on the web are what we make. We keep running the math.
1,000 pesos, ipapakita ko to sa 50,000 na tao. Si advertiser number 2, si consideration sabi, Bong, bigyan mo ako ng 1,000.
So every 30 pesos meron akong 1 mile. So libre na yung Japan to next month.
So okay lang, hindi naman siya nakakatakot gamitin.
Hindi naman po. Safe naman po si Miso.
Yun lang kasi.
Business is ballin', New York to Cali. Cash flow on auto.
Ang ganda ng training ni Bong and Lauren. They were very generous with their secrets in creating a e-store. And I actually attended here with my wife and we really wanted to know paano ba ginagawa yung ads. Actually, what's more important are the details here. So like for example, how do you customize the Shopify, or what are the apps or what are the themes they use. And ang maganda rin yung especially for the FB ads, they shared what are the metrics, what are the benchmarks, the benchmark that they use for their stores. So that is very helpful once you figure out the technical, and once you run it, at least you'll really know whether your campaign is working or not. So thank you so much, Bong and Lauren, for sharing all your knowledge.
Hello, I'm Dominic Reyes from Quezon City. So the training was really good in terms of they were able to give us an idea or an overview of the entire industry. What is the ecom industry? Plus, I enjoyed the most the metrics.
Hi, I'm Mike from Pasay, and I'm very happy na naka-attend ako sa event na to. Ang dami ko natutunan and share lahat ng tips, tricks, and advanced strategies and everything. And I feel now that I am ready to implement this. So let's get it on.
Hi, Raymond from Cavite po. Daming learnings. I'm glad na umaten ako kay Lauren and Bong Bibi. Very generous for sharing their knowledge and wisdom sa Ecom Business. So I'm looking forward to learn from them, to be mastermind. So I hope you will attend also if we have next event or future events. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Attorney Tina. To be honest, I have zero knowledge about sa Facebook ads at saka e-commerce. And thank you sa generosity ng speakers natin kay Sir Bong Bibi and Sir Laurent Judicial. Now, mas malakas yung loob ko that I will be doing it right. The first time I tried doing the Facebook ads and engaging myself in e-commerce. Thank you very much. Saludo ako kasi nabuo yung picture ko about all about Facebook marketing. Unlike yung sa experience ko na nag-watch lang ako sa YouTube, this time talaga structured yung ituro nila. I hope makapagturo sila ulit para mas maraming Pinoy at saka OFW na matulungan. Thank you very much ulit. Thank you.
Dropship from outlet. First you find a product and match it up with an audience and keep the traffic flowing so you can rack up them profits. All about the right targeting for your marketing. Flex. Intersecting interests are the best. Now I really have to start up myself, so let me pass the microphone to the video. And he can let you know about how we make bank, and you can kick it with us later, just don't hesitate.
Cause the store's on the web with what we make. We keep running the ads, we keep killing the game.